Durable. 6.5 feet. Heavy-duty lightning cable with aramid fiber for high tensile strength, increasing reliability. Cable life. Long-lasting, tested to withstand 10,000 plus bend cycles at 180 degrees angle, 5,000 plus insertions. Flexible cable. Built WTPE jacket to absorb the stress of frequent bends while protecting the cable core. Durable wire connector shields rugged charging cord from wear tear of frequent in-car use. Right-angled connector. 90-degree connector eliminates tension, protects the lightning port of iPhone 12 Pro, Max, Mini, iPhone the 11th of August 11 Pro, iPhone XR, iPad Air, iPad Mini. Ideal for car mounts, classroom desk mounts or mounted POS. Apple MFI certified. Fast reliable charge from USB-A charger, port to Lightning devices, including AirPods, Magic Keyboard, Magic Trackpad, Magic Mouse. Supports USB 2.0 480 megabits per second data transfers. Cable specs. Length 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Color black. Connectors. Angled lightning to USB-A. Performance USB 2.0. Reinforcement. Aramid fiber, jacket type. TPE, shielding. Mylar, backed by StarTech. COM for 2 years. Top reviews from the United States. Very good and 90* lightning connection for a phone in the case. This 90 degrees lightning connector is long enough to reach inside a heavy-duty case surrounding your phone and make the connection.